Hi everyone, I am Randy and you're watching BSEd. I am here to discuss about cellular division. The first thing to know about cellular division is the cell cycle, which is divided into three stages. The first is the interphase, second the M-phase, and the last one is the cytokinesis. The first stage during cellular division is the interphase. In this stage, it prepares the cell for cell division. In interphase, it's also divided into three phases. The G1 or gap phase 1. In this phase, cell grow and synthesis protein that is needed for M phase. Next, the synthesis, wherein DNA makes a copy of itself. And the last, in the interphase, is the G2 or gap phase 2. The final step before a cell enter the first stage of M phase. In gap phase 2, another period of growth and the organelle grows and divides. The next stage during cellular division is the M phase. M phase has two types, the mitosis and the meiosis. Mitosis refers to the division of somatic or body cells, while the meiosis refers to the division of the gamete or sex cells. Let's focus first. Mitosis has four subphases, the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Mitosis begins with the prophase, as the long strand of DNA in the nucleus starts to coil and already replicated, which we know to be the chromosomes. The spindle fibers starts to grow and the nuclear membrane disintegrates. The spindle fiber attaches itself to each of the chromosomes. Next, the chromosomes are aligned at the equator of the cell, which is the metaphase. Now comes the anaphase. The spindle fiber pulled the chromosomes toward to the opposite poles. Then the chromosome unwind and the nuclear membrane reform, which is known to be the telophase. With mitosis complete, the nuclei and cytoplasm separate. It starts with the formation of cleavage resulting to the two identical cells. Now, let's focus on meiosis. Cell prepare just it does for mitosis. The chromosomes condense. Each chromosome finds its homologous counterpart, one from the mother and one from the father, that holds equivalent genetic information. During metaphase 2, where the two different chromosomes that are aligned at the center cross over, or known to be the exchange of the information or genetic information. Now, the anaphase, where the spindle fiber again pull the chromosome to the opposite poles and divides into two daughter cells. Another division will happen producing four unique cells because they carry half of the genetic information which is known to be the haploid. And you're watching BSEd.